Hello, friends. Welcome to English Habit Zone. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most powerful self-improvement books in the world, Atomic Habits. This book teaches us a simple but life-changing idea. Small habits can create big results. Many people think success comes from big actions, but this book explains something different. Success comes from small improvements, repeated every day. In this episode, I will explain the main ideas in slow and clear English so you can improve your listening skills while learning how to improve your life. Let's begin. Part 1. The Power of Small Improvements. Imagine you improve just 1% every day. 1% is very small, almost invisible. But if you improve 1% every day for 1 year, you will become much better. Now, imagine you get worse 1% every day. After 1 year, you will be much worse. Small changes seem unimportant today, but over time, they create a big difference. This is called the power of compound growth. Just like money grows in a bank, habits grow in your life. Good habits make your life better. Bad habits slowly damage your life. The problem is this: we want fast results, but habits give slow results. If you go to the gym for 1 day, you see no big change. If you eat healthy for 1 day, nothing dramatic happens. But if you repeat these actions for months, everything changes. Success is not a big moment. It is the result of small daily actions. Part 2. Identity-based habits. Most people focus on goals. They say, I want to lose weight. I want to learn English. I want to write a book. But this book says something powerful. Focus on who you want to become. Instead of saying, I want to learn English, say, I want to become a person who speaks English every day. Instead of, I want to run, say, I am becoming a healthy person. When you change your identity, your habits follow naturally. Every small action is a vote. If you read 1 page, you vote for being a reader. If you practice English for 10 minutes, you vote for being an English speaker. You are not changing your life in 1 day. You are building your identity. Ask yourself, who do I want to become? Then ask, what small habit supports that identity? Part 3. How habits work. Cue, craving, response, reward. Every habit follows these simple steps. Step 1, cue. Step 2, craving. Step 3, response. Step 4, reward. Let's understand this with a simple example. You hear your phone notification. That is the cue. You feel curious. That is the craving. You check your phone. That is the response. You see a message. That is the reward. Your brain remembers the reward. Next time, the habit becomes stronger. All habits work like this. If you want to build a good habit, you must understand this cycle. Make the cue clear, make the habit attractive, make it easy, make it satisfying. If you want to break a bad habit, do the opposite. Make it invisible, make it unattractive, make it difficult, make it unsatisfying. Simple, but powerful. Part 4. The 4 Laws of Behavior Change. The book explains 4 laws for building good habits. 1. Make it obvious. If you want to read more, put a book on your table. If you want to practice English, keep your notebook near your bed. Environment is stronger than motivation. Design your environment for success. 2. Make it attractive. We repeat habits that feel good. If you want to study, play soft music. If you want to exercise, choose an activity you enjoy. Combine something you like with something you need to do. 3. Make it easy. Do not start with big actions. Start small, very small. If you want to read, start with 1 page. If you want to exercise, start with 2 minutes. Small habits remove fear. Action creates motivation, not the opposite. 4. Make it satisfying. Your brain loves reward. After completing your habit, celebrate small wins. Say, "Good job." Track your progress. Use a habit tracker. Never break the chain. Even if you miss 1 day, do not miss 2 days. Part 5. Practical example. Let's apply this to English learning. Goal: improve English listening. Identity: I am becoming a confident English speaker. Small habit: listen to English for 10 minutes every day. Make it obvious: subscribe to English Habit Zone. Make it attractive: choose interesting topics. Make it easy: start with slow listening. Make it satisfying: comment after finishing the video. Small daily listening will create big improvement. Not in 1 week, but in 6 months you will see the difference. Vocabulary section. Compound: something that grows over time. Identity: who you believe you are. Cue: a signal that starts a habit. Craving: strong desire. Response: the action you take. Reward: the benefit you receive. Try to use these words in a sentence. Conclusion: Atomic Habits teaches us one big lesson. You do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. Big success is not about big motivation. It is about small daily discipline. Improve 1% every day. Build identity. Design your environment. Start small. Be consistent. And remember, small habits, big results. Thank you for listening. If you found this helpful, subscribe to English Habit Zone. Daily listening, real improvement.